Hello, here Share Comfort family. My name is Brian. I'm with Mr.Edge Digital Marketing. The point of today's video is to show you 3 different things that you can do right now today to help get your site ranked closer to that first page on Google. Now, I initially went in and typed in heating and air out of Asheville, North Carolina, and I found you guys on page 3. But you guys are out of Fletcher, so I typed up Fletcher, and you're looking pretty good on Fletcher's site. Or as far as ranking for Fletcher, you're #1 right here in the map pack. So no, that's getting you a bunch of calls for Fletcher. Now I don't know if you're trying to venture out and rank for Asheville, but I can get you ranked in Asheville and keep that #1 ranking right here for Fletcher, and I can also get you up to here for Fletcher. So my job would be to get you on #1 for Fletcher and Asheville if that's what you're looking to do. But with that being said, I'm gonna talk about your website and tell you the 3 things that you can do for free today to get help get your website ranked. All right, first thing we're gonna talk about is content. Now, Google likes to see typically between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the first page. So that's on your home page right here. So you're kind of close to it. You're not far from it. I got 604 words. That's on your first page. Now your competition for Asheville is this guy right here, Mike's Heating and Cooling. Now he's got, I don't know if he has as much as you or just as much as you, but he's nowhere near there either. Let's see what he's got. Well, he's got 1,440 words on his first page. All right, and go back to your site. Another thing you can do, this is some tricks that I've learned, throughout the years of doing this. You can take your pictures and you can name them. So right here you got family image 1. Instead of putting family image 1, you could use a keyword like Asheville Heating and Cooling, because that's going to help get you ranked in Asheville. You can put Asheville Heating and Cooling and then come back right beside it and put _sheer comfort heating and air. And then that'll be 2 different keywords right there. It's going to help get you ranked on Google for that content. The next thing we're going to talk about backlinks. And this is a unique situation right here with your backlinks. All right, this is one of the tools I use right here. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $400 a month to use it, but it's good software for me in my business. But backlinks is anywhere on the web that you can find another link that's by clickable text that's going to link back to your site. Now these backlinks, they're not all the same. Like some's good and some's better. You have 1.6 thousand backlinks to your site. Now I'm going to show you my point right here. Let's go over here to Mike's. Now, just off this alone, you should be ranking higher than Mike. This UR right here is how strong your link is for your website. So your link is rated by Google and it's at a 26. That's out of 100. Your DR, your domain rating, this shows the strength of your backlink profile compared to others in the database. So this is kind of like how good does Google trust you? So with this low score right here, with this many backlinks, I'm thinking you might have got a couple of letters from Google saying something about your backlinks. But we're going to go over here to Mike's and see what they're looking at. They have 291 backlinks. That's why I say not all backlinks are created equal. Now look at their DR score. Google trusts them a little bit better than they trust you. Your backlinks 1.6. Mike's backlinks 291. Now Mike also has 70 referring domains, and they're using 395 organic keywords. You have 75 referring domains. You're using 384 organic keywords. Now, I'm thinking that the problem with your site is right here with your backlinks, and that's the easy fix. Because what I'm going to do, since Mike is ranked so high, I can come over here and I can look and see Mike's backlinks. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to copy and paste Mike's backlinks to share heating and cooling. And then I'm going to go out and use the backlinks that I always use for heating and cooling to get my heating and cooling guys ranked. Now, with that being said, we went over content, backlink. The last thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations is anywhere on the web where you can leave your address, your name, your business number, and it needs to be shown exactly how you have it on your Google business profile. Now, you're going to leave them in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, BBB. Like there's thousands of them out there that you can use, and your citations. That's what gets you ranked right here in this map pack right here. So that's all I got for you. If you would please just leave me a review. Let me know what you think. And if you want to talk any further, or if you need my assistance anymore, this is how you can get in touch with me right here. All right, thanks for your time.